What's going on, our nation? Welcome to the Student Athlete Interviews. I'm your host, Justin Colbert, and we are here with Lyneyya and Anthory. How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
I'm doing good. Today we're here. We're gonna ask her a couple questions. If you guys do not know her, she is a freshman wrestler. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Starting off, so since you're a freshman,
Right.
it's your first year of high school. How has your experience been so far?
I mean, it's good and all, but the people are a lot nicer since my last school.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, did you go to Memorial or did you?
I went Memorial for half of the year.
Half of the year? Where else did you go?
Garfield.
Garfield? Oh, okay. So, what made you join wrestling?
I was supposed to go to volleyball, right? And I told my parents I didn't want to play volleyball. And they still sent me in there to tryouts and everything. I was hiding in the hallway during workouts. And I got caught by one of the coaches. He was like, "Oh, you should come down." I was like, "Sure." But I was supposed to be the manager. He didn't tell me I was going to be on the mat. Yeah.
Wow. So that's that's one special story. That's one special story. So, as a freshman, I know your first match, you probably had crazy emotions. You probably nervous, all that stuff. How does your emotions from your first match compare to your most recent match?
I think I'm a lot calmer before my matches start. Because in my first two matches, I lost. Because I was just the nerves were everywhere and I was thinking about everything but the match. But since then, it's better to embrace the nerves and to think about everything going on.
Wow. That's a great answer. That's a great answer. So you were named News Herald's Player of the Week last week with a 5-0 record. How did you feel when you got the news that you was gonna receive this honor?
Kind of special, but to be recognized for your talents really early is really nice. So.
Oh, really? Yeah. So for you guys to know, I got some stats here for you guys. She is currently 16-6 with 16 pins. She has also wrestled 3 matches against boys, and she has gone 2-1 with a total of 15 first takedowns. And you also have placed 4th in the 4 of the 5 tournaments that you have wrestled in. And you might not know this, but you're on the verge of setting records and maybe breaking some too. So with that being said, what has your coaches, what do they emphasize to you before you go onto those mats?
Just taking shots, because I like to, instead of shooting and takedowns and everything, I like to make them make mistakes by themselves. It's just easier for me. And they also make sure that I keep my head in the match while it's happening, not what's going to happen before or after. So I have to stay focused.
Okay, so you try to outsmart your opponent before they can even make a move.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. I like that. So with that being said, what is the toughest matches you've had this season?
Oh, I don't remember where I was. There was this girl, she was way taller, 1.5 feet taller than me, and she was all muscle. And I don't remember how long the match was. I think it was 4 minutes. But we kept starting over and over and over with the rounds. And she was winning by points. And one of my coaches emphasized, "Oh, don't let them get the pin. If you're gonna lose, don't get pinned." And I pinned her, which is awesome.
Okay.
Especially because my match was almost over.
Okay.
That would have been wild.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you win that matchup? Okay. See, now that is what you call taking advantage of the size. That's what you call. So, with you having a 16-6 record, how do you stay focused and how do you stay humble knowing that you're only a freshman and you have this amazing record?
Staying humble, it's because I could always mess up. So I don't want to go around bragging about my record and stuff when I can make the same mistakes that other people might make in my next match. So you never know what's gonna happen. So it's just
again, it is what it is. Whatever happens.
I'm not gonna jinx myself.
Right. Right. So what when you go out there every match, what inspires you to go out there and do what you do?
I'm just scared to lose. I don't have any inspiration. Like, my parents tell me they're proud of me and stuff, which is nice. But my main thing is, like, I just like winning better than losing. So it's like,
You don't want to let them down. You don't want to let them down. You want to try your best out there. Okay. So last question here. What is your goals, short term and long term?
Short term, just finish the season with a good record as long as and then I don't know if this is long term, but I want to play at States, like 4 years. Yeah.
States? Okay. Have you ever looked at any, like, maybe colleges, wrestling in college? You thought about that at all?
Not yet.
Not yet? You got time. You're only a freshman, man. All right, Lyneyya, I appreciate your time, spending me with this interview. I wish you luck the rest of the season.
Thank you.
And, great health and all of that. So, again, I'm your host, Justin Colbert, here at Student Athlete Interviews, and we will see you guys on the next one.